Please don't arrest me.
It's okay.
We didn't even do anything.
Just because your sister works for CPS doesn't mean that you can treat children like this.
You got a boo-boo?
Because of my PTSD, I can't process anything right now.
On April 27, 2023, Police and Child Protective Services, CPS, responded to a home after receiving reports of extremely unsanitary and unsafe living conditions for children. Upon arrival, they heard children inside, while the mother attempted to prevent officers from entering the home.
We only have two. We only have two here. The other three are in school. Izzy, Jasmine, come here.
They live here?
Yeah.
Do you live here too?
Yeah.
You the dad?
Yeah.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
What does he do? What'd he do?
Kids, we looked through the window and there's diapers sitting outside.
That's because the dog just got it out of the trash.
Come up there, please.
Please don't arrest me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please don't arrest me. I don't.
Listen. Turn around
Why?
and put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Because I asked you
Okay, are you taking the kids? Are you arresting me?
to. You're being detained at this time.
Okay.
Poor elephants, I need CPS.
What's going on? I told you, we just moved back down here. We literally just moved back down here a couple weeks ago. We're literally cleaning the place up as we speak. I was literally just come in to see what's
Sweetheart,
going
it's
on.
okay, okay? It's okay.
Can I please talk to you guys?
You can go right out there.
Come here. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Hi, boy. How are you? What you got? Is that a noodle? Are you eating a noodle? Here you go.
Inside, police found a damp, messy environment, trash and spoiled food strewn about, a strong odor, and signs of severe unsanitary conditions. These conditions were completely unsuitable for children and pets.
I can't calm down. I can't. I'll sit here and say I can't. My PTSD. I will go and say.
Paul, we got you enough
My ex-husband put me in the streets and tied me.
Due to the level of danger and the lack of cooperation from the parents, police handcuffed and arrested both parents. There were 2 young children in the home at the time of the inspection, while 3 other children were at school. CPS and EMS were called in to assess the children's well-being.
What do you mean you didn't do anything? Your children are living in absolute filth.
I know.
You understand me?
Yes.
That's ridiculous.
Can you stop yelling at me?
Sit down.
Stop! You're making my PTSD go insane. Stop!
Okay, sweetheart. Come talk to me. You want to go see my police car?
No!
You want to go up there with my friend?
No!
You just want to hang out with me?
No!
You want to sit with mommy over there?
Taking the dogs and everything. My friends were watching our kids. We just got them down here. They're upstairs. You can ask them. If you go upstairs, you can ask them. They've been staying with them while we've been trying to get this place up. We just had them down here because they had something to do. Go ask them, please. Can you guys please go ask them? They're right upstairs.
The CPS, the EMS can come as well. I mean, these children are living in absolute filth. It's just absolute filth in there. I just want to get a look over.
Just get some vitals on, make sure they're cool.
Yep.
Your mom okay with that?
Yeah, she'll be fine. I don't care if she's not, to be honest. What's your name?
Samantha.
What's your date of birth?
2/24/96.
What's your name, bud?
Joseph Peters.
Are we gonna?
What's your date of birth?
Permanent rates for the kids.
3/19/1991.
Because we
Say that again. I'm sorry. Can you stop?
3/1991.
Pan on top of the stove has live maggots.
Can one of you guys take the
Did you? Are the kids living in here?
No, they're staying with our friends.
upstairs.
They're upstairs
And why are they here right now?
because they had to do something. They literally had something to do, and they just got back before you guys showed up. And
Are
we were
you
gonna-
all living in there?
No, we're upstairs. We're trying to get it clean. We were just down.
Is anyone upstairs?
Yeah, Will and Leslie.
Police department, open the door.
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
Step outside.
All pretty good.
Do the kids that are downstairs live in here?
No. They live downstairs.
They live downstairs.
Yes, because they just moved back down there, what, 2 months ago or something like that?
Yeah, they don't stay up here.
So the kids don't live here,
No,
they
sir.
don't live here, the kids don't stay here?
No, sir.
No, I promise you. Because we've been having problems with them too, so.
They've been.
Are you Will?
Yes.
And you are?
Leslie?
Okay.
With
We're trying to
everything
break
that's
away
going
from
on,
them. We're trying to get away from them down there.
I was going to let them know more about what's going on because I was going to try to record all the yelling and stuff because the kids were saying, Jasmine, she's what, one of the youngest ones?
The little girl, yeah.
We heard her saying, no, stop. Mommy, or saying that hurts. And so I was going to call, but I tried to stay out of it.
If you could, please clean this area up.
Oh, I'm going to. It's just been taking us a little while.
Okay. I can't get a hold of anybody from CPS.
Well, you won't be able to do Randolph County. My sister works for CPS.
I don't care.
I was just letting you know.
I don't care. Just because your sister works for CPS doesn't mean you can treat children like this.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying that Randolph County.
Hey, I tell you what. Go ahead and stand up and come up here with me.
I need shoes.
You're all right. Come on.
I'm not going that without shoes.
Stand up or I'll take you up.
Oh my God! I need shoes.
You'll be all right.
I'm not going in the jailhouse without shoes. That is not happening.
I'm not looking for shoes in that mess. Nor am I
I
going
know
to
where
put
they're-
shoes from that mess in my cruiser.
Can you stop hurting
Have a
me?
seat.
Stop hurting me.
I'm not doing anything but guiding you along.
You were hurting me.
Okay. Go ahead, stand up, bud. Make sure you don't have anything on you, okay? I need somebody to come get 2 kids. I don't know who this female is, but she keeps saying that none of y'all can do anything because her sister works for you all. Who are you again?
I'm Samantha Oldacre.
Samantha Oldacre is who she is.
The only thing I don't want is this place burned down after we walk out.
Yeah, it'll be good. Ron, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but you got a cat up here too.
Yeah, I told him if it runs out the door, not much we can do, but if it stays in here, I'll get it, put it in the...
Okay.
Just got a little one here we're going to try to coax out for a minute. I might have to just go get my net and come in. It's too small to put on it.
Okay.
I'm freaking out.
You're going to have to be all right.
I can't breathe. I'm having a panic attack.
Okay, I'll get EMS to check you out, okay? Can you check on the one in my cruiser? She said she's having a panic attack. Hi.
So,
Can I see your toesies? Can I see your toesies?
what is it?
Yeah,
You have tennis shoes?
and my whole damn mommy.
Here's your toes.
Look at the...
Oh. You got a boo-boo? How'd you get the boo-boo?
I'll wait for them to get here, and if they want to do a look over,
Okay.
I'll get you, and we'll be here with them to do a look over of them.
I appreciate you. Do you have any boo-boos? No boo-boos? No. Okay, good deal.
Well, hurt me though.
Huh?
But they don't call it a dab. You won't.
Mommy and Daddy didn't hurt you? Okay.
Yeah, open that up right there, please. You guys went inside. There's multiple cans of bed bug spray in there, so just be aware of it. Awesome. Just lift that up. Stay. There you go.
I think he's just more scared.
On the opposite side of this, down that, we thought we were coming for those. There's 2 pits in there.
And up here, they were putting them up whenever I knocked.
Yeah, there's pits on that side.
Yeah, I'm going to charge animal cruelty too. Thank you guys. But what are the children's names?
The 2 that you have is Isabella and Jasmine. I also have 3 in school.
You have 3 in school, and they're staying here too?
They were staying upstairs with my neighbor.
Okay. How old are they?
Isabella is 2 and Jasmine is 3.
Hi.
CPS?
Kids are in that ambulance.
Okay.
I'm getting
the house at some point too. Just
You absolutely can, if you would like to.
You want to talk with the kids and I'll go in the house?
Well, the kids are 2 and 4, but I can go checking on them in a minute.
You already know the kids?
No. I just know they're 2 and 4. That's what was reported to us.
Okay, 2 and 4. And how old are the ones that are in school?
7-year-old, 6-year-old.
7-year-old, 6-year-old, and what?
5-year-old.
And a 5-year-old. They're in school though.
Can he talk to, is that Dad?
Yeah, you can talk to Mom and Dad.
Is Mom, where's Mom?
And the cruiser up there.
Okay.
Has a history of panic attacks. Panic attacks aren't crazy severe. Her heart rate, I felt her pulse. It's in the 120s, man.
She's
it's
good.
Not, yeah.
Listen, I just need you to get down there and
she's
see.
going to say she's got chest pain. She's going to do anything she can to try to get out of that vehicle right now because she's wound up. Other than that, no, she is recently pregnant. So I told her, hey, for the sake of the kid that you have in there, you need to chill out.
The other kids.
All right, I'll check on her again. Turn this way, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm not crying.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, you're under arrest for child neglect with risk of serious injury and
What else?
the other charges that I can figure out.
What? Can you tell me, please? I'm calm. Can you just tell me, please?
Tell you what?
What all charges are you getting me with?
Animal cruelty, probably. I'm gonna have to read the code, but right now, child neglect with risk of serious injury.
I'm serious. If you go and talk to them, I'm calm.
I talked to them.
What'd they say?
That you all haven't been there for 2 months.
I've had the kids up there.
They said they have not had the kids in there or anything. What's up, bud?
I was just wondering, he informed me that there was like some screaming and arguing.
Yeah, we got a call about some kids screaming, possible arguments. And then we got here. Mom tried to keep us out, and I told her that we were going to come in and check on the children.
Gotcha.
And I found this.
Okay. I'm going to run through and just grab some pictures real quick.
Yep, go ahead, man. Her sister works for Randall County CPS, and that's why this has not been addressed. Previous. She said there was a CPS worker that was just here. Still doing okay?
No.
All right.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
I've explained everything that's going on to you.
Because of my PTSD, I can't process anything right now.
Okay. You said that CPS has been here?
Yeah, they seen the place was a mess, and I told them that I was cleaning it up, and I was cleaning well.
And they left the kids here? What CPS worker was
I
that?
don't remember her name. I really don't. But she said it was okay because we were cleaning it up.
Well, when were they here?
A couple weeks ago.
A couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
And that's cleaned up from a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
Okay. She said that one of you guys was here a couple weeks ago and saw it and said that it was okay as long as they were cleaning it up.
I don't have any, we don't have any case history. I haven't done a case history.
Okay. I'm just letting you know. Somebody from you guys thought that was okay and left those kids there.
I don't think so, but...
I don't either, but that's what she says. I told him that you guys were on your way, and he said, okay, and then immediately came outside and started cleaning up.
Well, I just had them. There was a huge pile.
Oh, I remember.
They just cleaned that now before I get off the surrender.
Yeah.
I want to see if she wants to surrender. If he wants to surrender the dogs,
You can talk to her or him, whatever you want.
You roll and sign a piece of paper and surrender these dogs so they can be adopted. You'll do that. Okay. I'll get the paper ready and I'll bring it up here and you can sign it. And I'll guarantee you that they'll be taken care of at the shelter. They'll get them fixed.
Both parents were arrested on the spot on charges of child neglect and animal abuse. All 5 children were taken to CPS for medical examination and removed from the toxic living environment for safety. The pets in the house were also seized and transferred to the care of the authorities.
I can't calm down.
Well, you need to.
I can't, I'm trying.
Okay.
But I swear I'm trying to do right. I really am, I'm trying.
Okay.
I've been doing it all. He works at night.
So her coworker is trying to order ratification. We're going to take emergency custody of these kiddos. We're going to have them transported to the ER. They have some superficial wounds. That's not very hygienic. They may have some chronic stuff going on. We just want to have them checked. Because that's really,
Well, I have EMS up here.
really disgusting.
Yeah, it's terrible.
What's it take to make a complaint to them?
To who? A complaint to CPS? Call their emergency hotline. Did you guys contact the landlord?
I did.
Okay. You okay still?
No.
Okay. What's wrong exactly?
My chest is really tight.
Okay, well, it's because you're not calming down. All
I
right?
can't because my...
Yeah, I talked to EMS. EMS says that you're perfectly fine.
It's
Okay.
my mental health.
Okay.
It's too much.
I'm gonna need a bed bug balm for my cruiser. Do you? Nah, I don't want to spray it. I want to bomb it.
You'll never smell it. I'm telling you, this is good.
I don't know if you saw it or not, but there's either a gun or an airsoft gun or something in there. I don't know enough to determine it doesn't have an orange tip on it or anything. I can show you where it is if you want.
It's an airsoft gun.
Okay. I just didn't want to disturb it or anything.
No, you're good,
Should I
man.
wait till you guys checked it out?
Yeah. The 3 kids that are at school, you guys are gonna go get them too? Okay. You guys still okay? All right. What's going on?
Let's see, I'm good.
I need to get a hose of salt.
Safe or closed?
Yep.
Step out, please. Up the stairs, straight across the hall. Have a seat on the bench.
This incident is a serious reminder that children are always the most vulnerable, and any lack of responsibility from adults can place them in dangerous environments, both physically and emotionally. Living in a filthy, unsanitary home harms children immediately and can also affect their long-term development. A clean, safe, and cared-for living environment is a basic right of every child, and this case serves as a strong warning for parents to reevaluate their responsibility in protecting their children every day.